Honorable guests, teachers, parents, and my dear students, I welcome you to the School Award Day Ceremony 2021-22. Today, I feel very privileged and honored to stand here in front of you all and acknowledge the achievements of our brilliant students who have made both the school and their parents proud. This program is held to recognize the young talents who have made an immense contribution to our school and to give rewards for their talents. Our institution has always provided students with a healthy and fairly competitive environment to help them grow in every sphere of activity, be it academic, sports, and or any other extracurricular role. We have made team programs. Students explored and won prizes. Students stepped their talent and finally made the difficult decision to select the best of the best. Our students are always bothered and particular of its hospitality and the excitation of our guests. Here is an initiative of our students to express our heartwarming welcome towards and everyone who gathered here. I welcome them to the stage for a welcome dance.
Smile on your face, with love in our heart, with joy in the light, give us It is a moment of extreme pleasure to welcome our next guest, Sri Chandran sir, who is the chief patron of NFPS on behalf of the institution. Let me extend a welcome to you, sir.
Good morning to us. It is my honor more than a pleasure to welcome our next guest, Sri Ramesh sir, who is the secretary of NFPS. So on the behalf of one and all present here, let me please extend a welcome to you, sir.
Good morning to all. I am extremely privileged to have the opportunity to welcome our next guest, Sri Chandamarajan sir, who is the treasurer of NFPS. I cordially and respectfully welcome you, sir. Good morning to you all. Famous person Eddie Broad said that you can have great teachers, but if you don't have a good principal, you won't have a good school. With your presence, we are very happy and achieved great record for our school in almost all activities. It is my pleasure and great honor to welcome the most aggressive and bold personality, the principal of our school, Ms. Sridhar ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. Good morning to all. I am profusely elated to take an opportunity to welcome our next guest, Sri Muralidharan sir, who is the PTA president of our school. Welcome, sir.
Good morning to all. I heartily welcome Sri Muralidharan sir, manager of Eastern Power Public School. Welcome, sir. Good morning, everybody. It is an immense pleasure to welcome our next guest, Sri Vishnu sir, Vice Principal of Little Flower Public School. Welcome, sir. Good morning to all. I extend a warm welcome to Sri Chandran sir, Managing Director of Little Flower Public School. Welcome, sir.
Parents, teachers, students, എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ആദ്യമായി ആനുവൽ റിപ്പോർട്ട് വായിക്കുന്നതിന് മിസ്റ്റർ വിഷ്ണു വൈസ് പ്രസിഡന്റ് ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു.
Human life is a wondrous journey where we encounter innumerable people, events, and cherish a million memories. This award day is a celebration of human emotions, human achievements, human failures, and finally the spiritual upliftment of man. I am incredibly privileged and humbled once again to have led such a strong, vibrant school community through a year of great achievements, both individual and collective of our students, staff, and the school as a whole. School achievements this year continue to be many and varied across academic, sporting, and cultural fields, reflecting our commitment to fostering the development of the whole child. In this happiest moment, let me move on to the annual report 2021-2022. Since March 2020, when the corona epidemic has spread around the world, schools have been unable to stay open for 2 years and schools have been operating through online classes. The classes were online, but everything was done in a good way. The school did not have the opportunity to present a report of the programs conducted online as it was not open last year. This annual report presents all the programs conducted online during the academic year 2021-2022. Reopening day, June 1st. On the 1st of June, all the teachers came directly to the school and the manager, Mr. Chandran, Mr. Muralidharan, Principal Ms. Sridhar Murali, inaugurated the reopening day ceremony by lighting the lamp. All children took their videos of dancing and singing. Environment Day, June 5th. Our school is an example of what leadership with vision, commitment and discipline can achieve. Looking back at our journey in serving the cause of education, and this was the message of Environment Day. Principal, all teachers and students planted a sapling from their homes to make the children aware of Reading Day, June 19. A book is a dream that you hold in your hand, said Neil Gaiman. All the children said a speech about Reading Day and took a video of it. Yoga Day, June 21st. In order to make the awareness of yoga and its importance, all children did yoga at home. It has made a kind of improvement among the students for memory and concentration. Independence Day, August 15. Mahatma Gandhi believed the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Independence Day celebration was really amazing as the manager Mr. Muralidharan hosted the national flag. Following, children performed patriotic dance and speeches from their home. Onam celebrations, August 18. All the children arranged Pookalam on their homes, wore Onakodi, sang Onam songs and took the video. Sri Krishna Jayanti, August 30. Associated with Sri Krishna Jayanti, all the children from their home dressed up as Sri Krishna and Radha, then they took the video of it. Teachers Day, September 5th. Without the sincere work of these teachers, the ship cannot reach its destination. As part of the Teachers Day celebration, through video, all students showed their greetings to dear teachers. Then, students performed speech songs from their home. Gandhi Jayanti, October 2nd. As Gandhi Jayanti celebration, students dressed up as Gandhiji and delivered beautiful speech about our father of nation. Kerala Peravi, November 1st. The school, which has been closed for 2 years due to the COVID epidemic, is opened on November 1st. All the children came to school and shared the joy of seeing each other after a long 2-year break. Children's Day, November 14th. Children's Day was celebrated in the school with enthusiasm and had tributes to Chacha Nehru. The celebration began with a rally and it was followed by the Sports Day for the children. It was a fun-filled program for the students. School tour to Mukura, December 11th. In order to make the children confident, capable and loud, we must give entertaining talks to the children. This time, 2nd standard students to 7th standard students visited Mukura. It was a thrilling experience for them. Christmas celebration, December 24th. Our school celebrated Christmas to set a perfect example of secularism. It was so colorful. Teachers narrated the story of Christmas to children and had a wonderful cake cutting ceremony. And the students sang Christmas songs beautifully. New Year celebration, January 3rd. The students and teachers had a great New Year celebration in the school. We decorated the school with different articles and bought cake to the students. We had an exciting program to select the lucky winner through drawing the cards, and we had given the prizes for the winners. Extra activity, craft. The craft competition was held in the school in group wise. The children showed a lot of enthusiasm in making the different articles. On the board, the competition was a learning and joyous experience wherein each child tries his best to do something different, and it gave them a chance to be creative and display their talents. Arts Day celebration, Jan 21st. Arts Day was magically celebrated in the school, and a variety of programs were prepared to the students by our efficient teachers, as they were the in charge of each team, which include dance. The day ended with the announcement of teams who won the competitions. Exams. Exams are an important part of Little Flower Public School. Exam prepares the students for their extremely important final year exams. First term exam was conducted online, and the second term and final exam was conducted offline. Many milestones have been achieved and many still have to be reached. But we will continue our unceasing effort to mold the young minds into well-balanced personalities with confidence and feel within the standards of this portal of education. This report is a sincere attempt to show our progress in terms of achievements and activity during this year. Thank you.
അടുത്തൊരു പഞ്ചായത്ത് പ്രസിഡന്റ് ശ്രീമതി ഷൈന അവരെ ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു.
എല്ലാവരും വന്ന് കുട്ടികളുടെ ഈ സമ്മാനദാന ചടങ്ങിൽ പങ്കെടുത്ത് എല്ലാവരും കൂടെ നിന്ന് സഹായിച്ചതിന് ഞാൻ ആദ്യം രക്ഷിതാക്കളോട് നന്ദി പറയുകയാണ്. ആദ്യമായി ഒരുപാട് തിരക്കുകൾക്കിടയിലും നമ്മുടെ ഈ കൊച്ചു പരിപാടി ഓർത്തുവെച്ച് അതിൻ്റെതായ ഗാംഭീര്യത്തിലെത്തിക്കാൻ ഇത്രയും സമയം നമ്മളോടൊപ്പം ചെലവഴിച്ച നമ്മുടെ ആലത്തൂരിന്റെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ടവരായ ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട ആലത്തൂർ പഞ്ചായത്ത് പ്രസിഡന്റ് ശ്രീമതി ഷൈനി മാം, വൈസ് പ്രസിഡന്റ് ശ്രീ ചന്ദ്രൻ പള്ളിക്കൽ അവർക്കും എന്റെ പേരിലും ഈ വിദ്യാലയത്തിന്റെ പേരിലും നന്ദി അറിയിച്ചുകൊള്ളുന്നു. അടുത്തതായി ദൂരം ഒരു പ്രശ്നമാക്കാതെ നമ്മുടെ പ്രൈവറ്റ് സ്കൂൾ അസോസിയേഷൻ ഭാരവാഹികളായ എടത്തറയിൽ നിന്നും എത്തിയ ശ്രീ രമേശ് സാർ, ഒലക്കോട് നിന്നും ശ്രീ ചന്ദ്രമേശൻ സാർ, പെരുമ്പിൽ നിന്നും ശ്രീ ചന്ദ്രൻ സാർ അവർ ഏവരും നമ്മുടെ ഈ സമ്മാനദാന ചടങ്ങിലെത്തി ധന്യമുഹൂർത്തമാക്കി മാറ്റിയതിൽ എന്റെ പേരിലും ഈ വിദ്യാലയത്തിന്റെ പേരിലും ഞാൻ നന്ദി അറിയിച്ചുകൊള്ളുന്നു. അടുത്തതായി നമ്മുടെ PTA പ്രസിഡന്റ് ശ്രീ മുരളീധരൻ, അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ മകൻ LKG മുതൽ 7th സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് വരെ 9 വർഷം പഠിച്ച്, അതായത് UP വിഭാഗം പൂർത്തിയാക്കി ഈ വർഷം ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് വിട പറയുകയാണ്. 6 വർഷത്തോളമായി PTA പ്രസിഡന്റ് സ്ഥാനം കൈകാര്യം ചെയ്യുന്ന അദ്ദേഹം ഈ വിദ്യാലയത്തിന് ഏത് കാര്യത്തിനും സപ്പോർട്ടീവായിരുന്നു. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ മകന്റെ ഇവിടുത്തെ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസം ഈ വർഷം അവസാനിക്കുന്നതിനാൽ PTA പ്രസിഡന്റ് സ്ഥാനത്ത് നിന്ന് ഒഴിയേണ്ടി വരുന്നതിൽ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് അതിയായ വിഷമമുണ്ട്. എങ്കിലും ഇത്രയും വർഷം ആ സ്ഥാനത്തെ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ കൈകാര്യം ചെയ്തതിൽ വളരെ സന്തോഷിക്കുന്നു. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് സ്കൂളിന്റെ വകയിൽ ഒരു പൊന്നാട അണിയിക്കാൻ ഞാൻ ഈ വേദി ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നു.
പൊന്നാട എന്തിനാണോ ഏതാണെന്ന് എനിക്കറിയില്ല, പക്ഷെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. എന്റെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ ആദ്യമേ കിട്ടുന്നത് പൊന്നാടയാണ്. ഇത് നമ്മളെ കൈയെടുത്തിട്ട് പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കേണ്ട.
ഈ വർഷത്തെ ഈ ആനുവൽ പ്രോഗ്രാമിൽ പങ്കെടുത്ത് കൂടെ നിന്ന് സഹായിച്ച അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് എന്റെ പേരിലും ഈ വിദ്യാലയത്തിന്റെ പേരിലും നന്ദി അറിയിച്ചുകൊള്ളുന്നു. അടുത്തതായി ഈ വർഷം തുടക്കം മുതൽ എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളിലും എന്നോടൊപ്പം നിന്ന് സഹകരിച്ച് എല്ലാവരും പ്രോത്സാഹനം നൽകുന്ന ശ്രീ മുരളീധരൻ സാർ, ശ്രീ ചന്ദ്രൻ സാർ, ശ്രീ വിഷ്ണു, ടീച്ചേഴ്സ്, പാരന്റ്സ്, എന്റെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾ ഏവർക്കും ഞാൻ ഈ വേളയിൽ നന്ദി അറിയിച്ചുകൊള്ളുന്നു.
അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ഒരു പാട്ട് പാടി പോരാണ്ട്